Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we are going to look at a sewer jet cleaning kit. Now this is a really awesome little kit. You're going to use a power washer to be able to actually clean out pipes. All right, so what you're going to get in the kit, you're going to get your hose, you're going to have the little fittings that actually do the cleaning, you're going to have a couple of connection fittings, you're going to get a couple of tools for actually making the connections, some sealing tape, you're going to get your manual which explains what all the fittings do and how you hook them up, and you're going to get some cleaning pins right here. Now my cleaning pins went in the little container, but they ended up getting broke in transit, so I just pulled them out and put them in the bag. There are a couple of ways to take your hose and hook it to your machine. First of all, you've got this fitting which will replace your hose fitting if you want to pull this off and put it on. Now what I would do, it makes it easier if you go ahead and connect your hose to this end first. And keep in mind guys, if I'm doing this to go outside, I'm going to go ahead and use my tape. And you always put the tape on righty-tighty like a clock. That way it doesn't unwind itself. Now take it, put it on here. There we go, just like that. Now you take the other end of the actual hose here, and you could simply put on whatever fitting you want, just like this. And of course the tape again. And now I would control the whole system just from my on-off button here and be able to clean out a pipe. Now the other option is to simply do this. I'm going to take this loose here, and we are going to not use this piece. We're going to set it aside like this. We're going to go ahead and use our own hose. So it is on and connected, and we are going to take that hose and have it connected to our wand. The hose, and put the quick connect on the hose like this. And we are going to put the hose at the end of our quick connect on our wand. Now we take the other end and we will simply put on the fitting that we want to use. Now let's talk about these fittings. Now most of these fittings, they are going to spray water out the front. You'll see the little nozzles in the front, and they have nozzles that squirt out the back. The back does two things when it does that. It helps push the little fitting through the pipe a little easier, but it also cleans from both directions. So as you're breaking stuff up in front and you're pushing it, it's pushing that stuff out of the pipe. So it works very well. Now, what kind of pipes are you going to clean out? You can clean out like your regular drainage pipes, like a French drain with this. You can clean out even PVC pipes if they're sewer and they're clogging, if you can get down your clean out. Depends on the situation. So it's a very versatile tool. So guys, that's the system pretty much in a nutshell. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. So what we're going to do now, like I said earlier, is we're going to go ahead and run out, and I'm going to get a PVC pipe that's kind of crammed up with some mud and dirt, and we're going to see how well this actually cleans and how the wand works. Personally, if I'm using this is the way I'm going to want to use it. I want to use it with the wand. I just think it's going to work much better. So let's get outside, let's get it tested, and then we'll kind of go from there. So as luck would have it, this house was under construction and it had a clog. We just ended up cleaning it out yesterday, but we still have some residue built up. So we're going to get to try this on an actual PVC sewer drain line. So we're going to try to, I've already got everything hooked up. I've got the light. We're going to take the cap off. I'm going to get under here and we're going to try this and see if we can work it further up into the home that direction and see if it'll actually work and break anything loose. All right guys, so this is the cap. We're going to pull the cap off right here. So we are going to take this and put it inside. Okay. Ooh, I can smell it. Oh, here comes a bunch. Wow. That was all white.
Woo! Oh my God, man.
So there you go, guys. It was great. It works fantastic. I think that this is an awesome way to clean out PVC pipes, especially cleaning out French drain systems, because you'll be able to get in there and get all that old mud and dirt washed out. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because it's very well made. They give you everything you're going to need. I think it's going to last you for years to come. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.